Listening to a news item. You will hear a news item once. It is about 1.5 minutes long. Then 5 questions will appear. Choose the best way to complete each statement from the drop-down menu. Recently arrived residents Mike and Paula Hendricks are delighted that the community garden they started this spring in their townhouse complex in Arnprior, Ontario, has turned out to be a big hit. The couple have been avid gardeners for years. Mike said they were disappointed that there weren't any nearby community gardens to join. They decided to start their own. They soon found that almost everyone in the area was enthusiastic about the idea. A team of 30 residents converted a large, unused patch of grass into gardening plots. They filled the beds with soil and compost. They also dug a pond to collect rainwater for watering plants. Now the garden is packed with vegetables, flowers, and people. One resident, Atsuko Tanaka, said that it's a great place to hang out and socialize with the neighbors. Another man said he was delighted to find that growing his own vegetables cut down his grocery bill. The local wildlife seemed to benefit as well. Gardener and biologist John Cheney, who was researching frog populations in the area, is thrilled that the pond is now home to a species of endangered frogs. Paula said there's something for everyone in the community garden.